Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating word spinners. Word spinners are a powerful tool that allows you to randomize message text by selecting from a predefined list of synonyms. This helps preserve the message's meaning while varying its wording, making your messages more dynamic and personalized. To create a new word spinner, start by clicking the Create Word Spinner button. Next, give your word spinner a name. This name must be unique, as it will help you identify and reuse the word spinner later. After renaming the word spinner, enter synonyms into the synonym field. After typing each word or phrase, press Enter to add it to the list. When you have finished adding synonyms, click Create. Your new word spinner will now appear in the word spinner inventory, ready to be used in your messaging campaigns. To edit a word spinner, click on the three dots at the end of the row in the word spinner inventory and select Edit. From there, you can change its name or add and remove new synonyms. Don't forget to press Enter after each one. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.